Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to install and start using the Fuzzing book on Kali Linux. Fuzzing is an important part of security testing, and the Fuzzing book is an excellent resource to learn about fuzzing techniques. In this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide to install and set it up. I'll also explain why each step is necessary, so by the end of the video, you'll have a clear understanding of the entire process. Let's dive right in. First, we need to clone the Fuzzing book repository from GitHub, which contains all the code and examples we need for fuzzing. To do this, open your terminal and enter the command. Cloning this repository downloads all the required files to your local system. Once the process is done, navigate to the newly created folder by typing cd fuzzing book. Next, we'll set up a Python virtual environment. But why is this step important? Using a virtual environment keeps your Python dependencies isolated, so they don't interfere with system-wide or other project dependencies. First, install the Python 3.11 venv package, which allows us to create a virtual environment. Now, create the virtual environment using the command. Activate the virtual environment with a command, ensuring all Python packages are installed locally within this environment. Now, let's install the dependencies that the Fuzzing book relies on. One key component is graphviz, which is required to visualize graphs and other data structures. And its development package, use the following command. Next, install the necessary Python packages by using the requirements.txt file. This file contains all the dependencies the Fuzzing book needs to run smoothly. Installing these packages ensures that all the libraries used by the Fuzzing book are available, so we can run the fuzzing techniques without any issues. With everything installed, we're ready to start the Fuzzing book. If your virtual environment is not already activated, make sure to activate it again using the command. Now, let's launch Fuzzing book through Jupyter Notebook, which is a powerful tool that allows us to interactively run and explore the fuzzing techniques. Jupyter Notebook will open in your web browser. From here, you can explore various fuzzing techniques provided in the Fuzzing book through interactive Python notebooks. Every time you want to use the Fuzzing book after the initial setup, you don't have to repeat the installation steps. Simply navigate to your Fuzzing book directory, and activate your virtual environment with the following command, Source venv, bin, activate. Once the virtual environment is active, launch Jupyter Notebook using Jupyter Notebook command. These two commands will bring you back to the Fuzzing book interface where you can start working on fuzzing projects again. The virtual environment ensures that your configuration remains intact and the packages work smoothly. Why these steps are necessary? 1. Cloning the repository. This step downloads all the required files and notebooks for the Fuzzing book. 2. Setting up a virtual environment. Using a virtual environment isolates the installation, preventing conflicts with system-wide Python packages. 3. Installing dependencies. Tools like graphviz and Python packages ensure the Fuzzing book runs without errors and can visualize fuzzing tasks. 4. Using Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter provides an interactive interface where you can execute and experiment with fuzzing techniques provided in the Fuzzing book. 5. Re-accessing the Fuzzing book. Running the activation in Jupyter Notebook commands again allows you to reopen and continue working with the Fuzzing book whenever needed. These steps ensure your setup is clean, efficient, and ready for fuzzing tasks. And that's how you install and start using the Fuzzing book on Kali Linux. I've also provided all the commands in the video description below for easy access. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next video.